Hello viewers, welcome to linuxskill.com. Today we are going to see about how to install Landing CMS on Linux Mint Readymon 3. Landing CMS is a simple and cross-platform for management landing pages. It does not use any databases. In this tutorial, we will cover the installation procedure of Landing CMS on Linux Mint Readymon 3. Okay, here before starting your installation, we have to need Apache and PHP. Here we have to use PHP version 7.0. Okay, now here first of all we have to download the Landing CMS package by using wget command. The download is going on. Then after downloading, we have to extract this download file by using unzip command. Then we have to list out this directory. Now here we have to change ownership and permission for the landing directory. Then we have to move the landing directory into the /var/ww/html directory by using move command. Now we have to create a virtual host for Landing CMS. So go to set available location. Here we have to create land.conf file by using Vim editor. Now change insert mode. Here we have to create name as virtual host. So add the following lines. Then save and quit the file. Then we have to enable the land.conf file. Then after enabling, we have to enter the host file. Change insert mode. Here give our local IP. Then give our domain name. Then save and quit the file. Then finally we have to restart our Apache server. Then after restarting our Apache server, we have to open the browser. Here you can give IP address or domain name. Here I am giving my domain name. Now here we can see welcome page of Landing CMS. Now we have to click go to CMS. Then here we can see password authentication. Now here we have to give password. Then we have to click save. Now finally here we can see Landing CMS. Now we can able to use this application. Thus we have seen how to install Landing CMS on Linux Mint Readymon 3.
Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel Linuxhelp. If you still need more video, visit www.linuxhelp.com. For any queries to mail support@linuxhelp.com.